TintFX Glass Film Solutions. TintFX.com.au. For nearly 30 years, we have supplied and installed specialty window films in both residential and commercial premises. Whether it is solar, privacy, decorative, safety, security or anti-graffiti window film, we have the right film solution for you. TintFX focuses on creating a more sustainable living and working environment. Our extensive experience is our guarantee that we recommend the most appropriate film to provide the best result for you. We are Northern Beaches based, catering for the whole Sydney metropolitan area as well as parts of country New South Wales. We can transform your indoor space into a more livable and comfortable one by reducing heat and glare and blocking harmful UV rays. All this reduces damage to your interiors and decreases your electricity bill. WER's energy rating. Do you want to be more sustainable and cut your carbon footprint? Ask our experts how. Upon installation of the window film, your building can become certified WER's energy rated, which will increase its value. Residential projects. Whether you are looking for solar protection, privacy, safety or security, we have the right window film solution for you. With benefits of the window film being felt immediately upon installation, you will enjoy greater comfort at your home even more. Commercial projects. Enhance the working environment for your staff upon installation of solar control film. It will significantly reduce glare and heat, create a more stable indoor temperature, and also reduce air conditioning costs. Solar control window films. All our solar window films are thin multi-layered sheets providing the best defense against solar heat and UV damage while still maintaining those views you have come to love. Privacy and decorative window films. Privacy and decorative window films can create a unique atmosphere and lead to increased comfort in your home or office. Safety and security window films. Safety window film is built to protect people from injury should glass be broken and as a deterrent to unwanted intrusion. Anti-graffiti window film. Anti-graffiti window film is purpose-built to protect windows and other surfaces from vandalism. WFANS. TintFX Glass Film Solutions is a committee member of this industry body. WFANS is the peak industry body for the Australian and New Zealand window film industries. Its members include window film installers and distributors. Established 30 years ago, WFANS is proudly independent and non-profit. TintFX Glass Film Solutions takes out 3 divisions in the prestigious Fenestration Australia National WFANS Design Awards, including Aaron McCarthy for WER's Installer of the Year, Best Use of Film, Commercial, and Best Use of Film, Residential. We are a 3M Platinum Select Partner, highest rated by 3M for creation and execution of your graphics, architectural and window film solutions. We have passed 3M's thorough auditing process to achieve this elite status. Furthermore, we have undertaken certified training on graphics, architectural and window films. Priding ourselves on years of experience within the industry, TintFX provides quality products and services. To become a 3M Platinum Select Partner, we have to ensure to have a capability to execute national programs for large brands and events. 100% customer satisfaction. Insurance. We are fully insured. Premium standard and quality. We are meticulous about our work and will always go the extra mile to make sure the installation is up to a premium standard and quality. Difficult access installations. We can handle difficult installations that require boom lift or scaffold. Instant booking updates. We use a software package to keep our customers informed. An instant booking notification with a real-time arrival time is sent out to our clients. Clients' feedback. We pride in our 100% customer satisfaction and always ask our valued clients for feedback. See our Google reviews for your reference. Our recent project, improved energy efficiency and aesthetics. Solar control window film installation at a residential property in Mossman, Sydney. 3M Prestige Exterior provides solar heat and glare reduction, blocks 99% of damaging UV rays, protects you and protects your interior furnishings from fading. Contact us. TintFX Glass Film Solutions. info@tintfx.com.au. 1300 846 839. tintfx.com.au